As you can see, they're quite, I think you might be able to see that they're quite foggy. Trying to get the best angle on the camera. But anyway, you get the general gist. They ain't clean and shiny. And the same on this side. So we'll do this one later. I may video it. Depends on how much of a faux pas we make on the first side. So fingers crossed, all goes well. The product that we're going to be using is going to be, which was has been paid for. It's not a sponsor. The kit gets 2 pads. You got side 1, 2, 3 and 4, obviously varying grits. Comes with complete instructions, and also you get a buffing wheel and some polish Plastic X and a polishing wheel. I'll obviously use my cordless drill for the polishing wheel at the end. And we'll crack on with the side to side motion, they say. So here goes. So we're on number 1, side to side. Right, I've taken this wearing some sexy blue gloves because I have some cuts on my fingers and I do not wish to get infections. Suppose I should have thought of that before starting, but hey ho, better late than never. Give that a bit of a dibble with some water and just give it a liberal spreadage. Dampen it down. I don't know if you can see down here. I don't think it's showing up on the camera. Let me just see if I can. Just here. Still new to this camera stuff. Here it looks like as if bird crud. It's not. It's the actual plastic. So we'll have to see if we can get rid of that. Must admit, it's looking better. From cordless drill, got a good splodge there. Instead of just going and starting it up, I tend to dabble it around a bit, because then when you start up you don't fling all that good stuff everywhere but where you want it. That I am quite impressed with. I am. And to be truthful, it takes quite a bit to impress me. Just going to put a little bit more plastic mix on there. I'm impressed with that. I won't bother filming the other side because I'm nearly out of battery time. So we'll just do a quick comparison. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the headlights done. Going rather well. Quite impressed with that. This is so fast. Thank you for joining me, and look forward to another video. Bye for now.